I can hear the cat. No idea what she's doing or why. That sounds like water. Should I be concerned? Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. I am Cat. Miss Everdeen is just Cat. Why does the music kind of remind me of Narnia, though? Like on the train. And Hogwarts has a train too. I've never played this game before. I only got it like the other day. Of course there's controversy over playing it because of what the author of the books said as of recent times about LGBTQ community. Of course, all like the actors and actresses for the casting and like the directors and all those people were like, yeah, we don't agree with what she's saying and all of that. And it's, yeah, of course he wouldn't want to, but lots of people are still playing the game. And as a hardcore
menu reader off. Press space bar to toggle.
Why is it speaking? Anyway, as being a Harry Potter fan, not the author, Harry Potter, I wanted to see, you know, what the hype was about the game, and I also got it on sale, so that kind of makes you want to go like, oh yeah, I'll try that. Let's see this. Alright, I just slide her into an image is barely visible. Oh my god, that's so bright. Oh my god. It's barely visible. Let's just do that. That looks fine, don't it? Start this game. Is this what you look like? Ooh. I get to choose who I look like. Oh my gosh. I'm so sorry if this part of it takes really long, so let us skip ahead a little bit. So this is who we went with.
It's a pity we didn't have a bit more time to spend on. Well, I'm quite sure I've never seen anyone take so quickly to a second-hand wand.
Owl.
You'll be a force to be reckoned with.
Need you working with me before time begins.
Look at that, like, character movement.
Oh, Eleazar!
George, glad my rather cryptic description of our location did not thwart your
He's just
findings.
little
I've
owl, it's
operated
adorable.
more vaguely defined destinations than this. Gave quite the fright to some theatre-goers in the West End.
It's been much too long. When I received your owl, I must say I...
Best not speak
Laugh.
here, Eleazar.
Of course. Why don't we speak en route to Hogwarts?
I love seeing the owl.
We have a
Oh
start
my
of term
gosh,
feast
this
and a
is
sorting
adorable.
ceremony to get to.
Wonderful idea. Castle? Would be good to see the old pile
Door
of
open
rocks.
on itself. Why did the door open on itself? And why are you looking so mysterious? Okay, I said I'm a Hogwarts fan. But what the heck is making them like ride and fly and stuff? Why? And we have started. A flying invisible horse.
Glad I
Or
caught you before you left for Scotland.
has my character not seen someone
Just
die?
And who is your traveling companion?
If you're a Hogwarts fan, you know what I
A new
am
student.
referring to.
New?
Yes, sir. I'm starting school as a 5th year.
Oh my
How
god.
extraordinary.
Past for a better mentor. Professor Fig is not only an exceptional teacher, he's also a remarkably intuitive and gifted wizard.
Oh, look at that. They have the newspaper and everything moving as well.
Opinions differ as to how great a threat Ranrock really is.
Ooh, who's this?
Although I've yet to
Ranrock
convince my
mystery?
colleagues at the Ministry, I believe he is a significant threat.
Dun, dun,
And
dun.
it was your
There's
wife,
something there.
Eleazar, who the Ministry knew about his activities.
Just watching a movie now.
Before I could respond, I received this.
To keep it safe.
Presumably from Ranrock. I cannot open it.
The glow.
I don't see a glow.
Nor do I.
Ooh. Our character is Delulu. No, I'm just kidding.
Merlin's beard! Hang on!
Oh my god, the owl is safe. Oh, man is dead. There you go. Okay. What was the creatures I was thinking about?
Yeah!
A lot just happened. Oh, it's so cute.
Are you alright?
Got examine the bottle first. And
What happened?
shove it into your back. I feel like I should have been expecting that. Anyways. Wow. Feeling kinda loopy.
Porky. Or what?
Like that. Look at this crazy crate. The cat's gonna walk on my keyboard. Okay. Say hi. Oh my god, there's so many birds.
How far did that portkey take us?
And they're just flying in one place. The birds.
Travel. We're somewhere in the Scottish Highlands.
Sir, the
We're in
The Porky
Scotland.
was meant to lead us there. I do. This has
Awesome.
not been the day either of us expected. But which for a reason. And I
Oh, I
believe
can't really
that
look
she
around.
and
This
now
is it,
George
guys.
guide it into
This is as much as I can-
whatever it was meant to lead to.
I'm moving my
If
mouse
you're sure
so
you're all
much.
right and wouldn't mind indulging me, I'd like to have a look around.
Absolutely, sir.
I'd like to have a look around.
Let's see if we can find
While I
the
can't
path,
move my
however
mouse.
faded it may be.
Okay. I keep interrupting him. I'm so sorry. I'm probably gonna keep interrupting him. See, I kept interrupting him. Oh, wait,
Where do you suppose
if
your wife got the portkey that brought us here?
if we walk slowly, he walks slowly.
Miriam
If we
spent
like
years
run,
searching
he's
for
like,
evidence
nope,
of a
I go
long-forgotten
first.
form of ancient magic.
In like most games, you know, like when you like try to go in front of them, they're still like walking so slowly.
Powerful magic
It's
wielded
like
by a rare
walking
few
behind people in like
seems to have been
hallways.
lost to time.
Oh, ooh, oh. I thought he just jumped off the cliff, man. This way. Can I? Oh, I can go in front of him now.
But sir, why
Can we
was your
race?
wife searching
Cute.
for evidence of lost
I didn't know what's
magic?
happening.
Miriam
Did I just
wanted
get
to
stuck on
understand
something?
why such powerful magic disappeared from the wizarding world.
You're walking so
Spoke of the
slow.
good it could
What? Did I have my wand out the whole time? On the center. Oh. Just gonna spam that. Love spamming.
Excellent.
Do it in every game. Oh. Use your camera to select an active target. I don't know why I read that so slow. Whee! That looks so fun, actually. Can we do it
That was
again?
a bit rougher than I'd expected.
Why are there so many? Can I like put the? You know I'm gonna be smashing everything. That sounded weird. Anyways. Yeah.
Up there.
Up. Oh, I'm supposed to be looking there. Look at how they just like climbed up there.
We're close now. It's just
Look at this, look at this. Destroy it. I have no control over if I go fast or slow. That looks like a cool dance. Oh, okay, we're just gonna walk on it like nothing happened. Cool. See the birds still flopping in like one place. Oh. He's just gonna let me do this? Okay. Whack. Oh, I didn't know there was a bird. Yeah. Let us here for a reason.
Out of place.
Yeah. Oh, I just destroyed everything, and he's like, let's look for stuff out of place. Oopsie. What is this? Gotta get over there somehow. What is this? Investigate.
Professor, it's a mural of some kind.
Is it? How the hell do we get over there? Not that way. This is gonna take me so long to try and figure. Ooh! Cat's gonna freaking step on the keyboard again, I swear. Yeah. See, we're just gonna destroy every freaking vase we find. What if we fall off the edge? So the kitty, paused my game. Here we go. Let's play, kitty. No, she's just gonna brush her whole body against the mic. Bro, you made me restart the portion! Okay. I guess we're restarting the portion, cause
Perhaps a bit.
Take this.
say
It's
hello to
Wigglewell
Kitty.
potion. That stuff will right you in a second.
She just accidentally restarted my game. That's okay. Okay, I'm just gonna
Carriage mid-air.
play through
Typical dragon would never.
until where we were.
Sir, where are we?
I'm not.
When you play with a cat, if you're not, you know, playing with them, they're gonna interrupt your game. Like this. And now we get to see the standstill birds again. Oh, I see what happened. When I meant to press save game, after she went to this page, I instead went to the last saved part. Ooh, that's my bad. Okay. That's what happens when you try to play a video game, but you have a cat with you who doesn't want to leave you alone, which is adorable. But she touches my keyboard. I'm going to give her lots of love and attention right now. Next time y'all see me, I will be back to the point, which wasn't that far, but I'll be back to the point of the game where we were, so I can continue playing from there. So I will catch y'all in the next video. And hopefully I don't accidentally pick the wrong What are these even called? I can't know. Thank you for watching what has transpired so far. As I said before, I will catch y'all in the next video. Bye.